Severe weather left behind lots of damage in northwest Louisiana. Meteorologist Jesse Kelly has been in North Bossier following the cleanup efforts and shares more.
Started off with rain, just raindrops. All of a sudden, you heard a big boom and it sounded like ripping and tearing.
A big gust of wind came and it sounded like a big howl. I didn't know what it was. It actually woke me up.
Around 3 Friday morning, a strong line of thunderstorms quickly moved through Bossier City, leaving behind a mess for many residents to clean up.
I came in the front, I saw, some damage. The real damage was when we got to the back.
The high winds destroyed a trailer in the back of the Agape Faith Christian Fellowship Church, and part of the roof is missing.
And saw that there was a piece of wood down in the roof right there. Well, I thought that was as much damage, but then when we went to the other side and saw the whole roof torn off, then we realized we needed a contractor.
The storm also injured a toddler.
The post from my porch and the tree crashed through my front window and injured her. She received a deep laceration to her forehead, another laceration to the back of the head.
Those living on Broadway and Northside are thankful everyone survived and that the damage wasn't worse.
Well, thankfully, it seemed like most people just got exterior damage.
Like I say, such is life. When I saw it, all I did was say, thank you, Lord.